We perceive the world all the time. But the world is far more than what we know. Beyond the boundaries of human perception, bees track UV light reflected from flower petals to find nectar. Migrating birds use magnetic fields to navigate. Whales produce infrasound to communicate. Different perceptual abilities determine a species' recognition and actions of the world, and impact survival and development. If we make machines perceive like humans, or even equip them with other species' perceptions, what will happen in the future? Hikvision started with the visual technologies: visible lights, invisible lights, sound waves, ultrasonic waves. Then more can be sensed: temperature, humidity, pressure, and magnetism. Now all things can perceive and be perceived. AI makes everything smarter in video, audio, radar, and X-ray. Hikvision leverages intelligent perception powered by AI to embrace AIoT and make a difference in the world. In cities, we enable signal lights to automatically adjust their duration based on traffic flow. And we detect abnormal road conditions promptly. By empowering AIoT-based applications across diverse urban settings and scenarios, we unlock the potential of smart cities. In factories, our multi-dimensional sensing technologies help companies better manage their production processes. We harness our technologies to empower key production stages. This includes enhancing equipment performance, reducing manufacturing safety hazards, and optimizing maintenance management. All contribute to the advancement of manufacturing security, high product quality, worker safety, and higher operational efficiency. In the wilderness, we help build all-weather dynamic management system.
Wildfires prevented more automatically. Hydraulic conditions are captured more accurately. Geohazards are detected more efficiently. Biodiversity is preserved more sustainably.
Harmonious coexistence heralds in a better future. AIoT bridges the gap between the physical and digital worlds, making the concept of everything perceivable a reality and galvanizing more transformations. Over the past 20 years, Hikvision always adheres to technological innovation. We achieve breakthroughs in AIoT. We develop tens of thousands of hardware products and software. We extend global marketing service networks. We meet the needs of multiple segmented scenarios and customize solutions for diversified functions. In the future, Hikvision will continue its deep dive into AIoT, join hands with partners around the world, and work towards a shared future that is smarter and more innovative. See far, go further.